Hello students, today we are going to see cube and cube numbers. Before that, I am going to recall square. Let us take a number 4 and its square notation is 4 square. 4 square can be written as 4 into 4. This is the product representation. 4 fours are 16. So the square of 4 is 16. Now we are going to find 4 cube. This is the notation of 4 cube and its product representation is 4 into 4 into 4. 4 fours are 16, 16 fours are 64. So the cube of 4 is 64. In mathematics, properties are very important. Now we are going to see the properties of cubes of numbers. First property is the cube of a positive number is always positive. You can understand it by an example. Let us take a number 6. We have to find its cube. 6 cube equal to 6 into 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. 36 6 are 216. From this we understood 6 is a positive number and 216 is also a positive number. So the cube of a positive number is positive. The second property is the cube of a negative number is always negative. Let us see the example. If we take a number minus 3, we are going to find its cube. Minus 3 cube can be written as minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. Minus into minus equal to plus. 3 3s are 9. Plus 9 into minus 3. Plus into minus equal to minus. 9 3s are 27. So we got the answer minus 27. We finally understood the cube of a negative number is negative. Minus 3 the whole cube equal to minus 27. Let us see the third property. The cube of every even number is always even. Let us take a number 2. Then its cube is 8. So cube of every even number is even. Let us take a number 4. 4 cube is 64. Let us take a number 8. 8 cube equal to 512. So we finally understood the cube of every even number is even. The fourth property is the cube of every odd number is odd. Let us take a number 3 and its cube is 27. 3 is odd number and 27 is also an odd number. Let us take a number 5. 5 cube is 125. So these two numbers are odd numbers. Let us take a number 7. 7 cube is 343. So the cube of every odd number is odd number. Fifth property, if a natural number ends with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, its cube also ends with the same 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Let us see the example. We take a number 10 and then its cube is 1000. See here, the number 10 ends with 0 and the value is ends with the same 0. Let us take a number 11 and its cube is 1331. This number also ends with the same 1. Let us take a number 15 and its cube is 3375. These two numbers ends with 5. Let us take a number 16 and its cube is 4096. These two numbers are ends with the same 6. The sixth property is if a natural number ends with 2 or 8, its cube ends with 8 or 2 respectively. Let us take a number 2, then its cube is 8. A number ends with 2 and its cube ends with 8. Let us take a number 8. We have to find cube. 8 cube is 512. See here, if a natural number ends with 8 and its cube ends with 2. See here. Let us take a number 12. We have to find its cube. 12 cube equal to 1728. The number ends with 2 and its cube ends with 8. Another number we take 18. 18 cube equal to 5832. A number ends with 8 and its cube ends with 2. Next we are going to see the seventh property. If a natural number ends with 3 or 7, its cube ends with 7 or 3 respectively. Let us take a number 3 and its cube is 27. This number ends with 3 and its cube ends with 7. Let us take a number 7 and its cube is 343. If a number ends with 7 and its cube ends with 3. Let us take a number 13 and its cube is 2197. A number ends with 3 and its cube ends with 7. Next we take a number 17. 17 cube equal to 4913. A number ends with 7 and its cube ends with 3. The eighth property is the sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers is equal to the square of their sum. Okay, listen. You can understand it by an example. 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to etc. plus n cube equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. plus n the whole square. We are going to check this property. Let us take a number 1, 2, 3. We are going to find its cube. 1 cube equal to 1. 2 cube equal to 8. 3 cube equal to 27. If we add these numbers, 7 plus 8 equal to 15. 15 plus 1 equal to 16. Remaining 1. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So the answer is 36. If we add these three numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 equal to 3, 3 plus 3 equal to 6. Then we are going to find the square. 6 square. 6 square equal to 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. So these two values are equal. So the eighth property is verified. Next we are going to find the cube root of a number. Students, listen carefully because you are going to do sums by using this cube root. The cube root of a number x is denoted as cube root of x or x power 1 by 3. Cube root of 1 is denoted as cube root of 1 into 1 into 1. There are 3 1. We are going to find the cube root. So the answer is 1. Next we are going to find the cube root of 8. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. There are 3 2's. We are going to find cube root. So the answer is 2. Let us see how to find cube root. We are going to find cube root of 8 by prime factorization. We are going to divide this by second table. 4 2s are 8. Next we are going to divide this by the same second table. 2 2s are 4. Next the same second table. 1 2 is 2. So we got 3 2's. So we have to write in this place. Then we get the answer is 2. And then we are going to find the cube root of 27. Let's see. Cube root of 27. Third table. 9 3s are 27. Next is third table. 3 3s are 9. 1 3 is 3. So we got 3 3s. We have to write these 3 3s here. 3 into 3 into 3. So we got 3 number 3s. We are going to find cube root. So the answer is 3. Next we are going to see the book example 1.13. Is 400 a perfect cube? Let us see the solution. We are going to divide this by second table. 2 2s are 4, 0 2 is 0 and 0 2 is 0. Next we are going to divide this by the same second table. 1 2 is 2, 0 2 is 0, 0 2 is 0. Again we are going to divide this by 2. 5 2s are 10, 0 2 is 2. Again we are going to divide this by second table. 2 2s are 4, remaining 1. 5 2s are 10. Next we are going to divide this by fifth table. 5 5s are 25. Next the same fifth table. 1 5 is 5. So we got 1 2 3 4. 4 2s and 2 5s. By prime factorization we have 400 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Look here, there is only one triplet and this number is alone. It should have 2 2s and look at here, there are 2 5s. There is one more 5 needed. Then only we can make 3 triplets. So 400 is not a perfect cube. We will need 2 more 2s and 1 more 5.